governor decides to abuse his office. Being the powerful man that he is, and his brother being the miserable old man that he is, decides to have it fixed his way. He mobilizes the county government enforcement officers to go and arrest the poor Monda, the sickly Ruben Monda, the hopeless Ruben Monda. He's burdened into the police vehicle, courtesy and at the behest of the deputy governor. At the county assembly, Hansons bears as witness that yes, he confirmed that he's the one who mobilized the said enforcement officers. And be that as it may, the deputy governor, with all the resources afforded to him, decides even to apply the county resources in applying 4 officers, enforcement officers, uniformed to do odd chores at his farm. Odd as even cooking for his dogs. So the county government the Senate is presented with a case such as this one. Previously, the cases of impeachment, they have been pegged mostly on the question of the violation of the Constitution and the mismanagement of county resources. This is a unique case. It's a case where we are not inviting the senators to look at whether or not there is any resource or funds that have been lost. The question of oversight means that the Senate also has to look and interrogate whether the persons in the name of the county deputy governor squares out with Chapter 6 of the Constitution. Is this a man full of integrity? Is this a man who can be trusted? Is this a man who can be held to account? Is this a man who is transparent? Is this a man who can inspire the youths? Is this a man who can be trusted with the county resources? Evidence will bear us witness when we begin to tender the same, that Dennis is not the only victim. The public participation processes that were conducted on the 26th of February, we have people claiming that yes, the deputy governor is a man who is full of insatiable greed for resources, to the extent that he solicits resources as low as 8,000 shillings so that he can facilitate the governor's bursaries. That is the man that is being trusted to oversee the activities of the county government of Kisii.